TS4. Right now we have a Vicks Warm Steam here, vaporizer. This is how it looks inside the box here. Let me see, temporary relief for coughs and stuff here. They use some vapor pads you could use as well. Amplifies your relief. This side have smooth vapors with vapor pods and vapor steam. Protective steam guard, auto shut off, night light. So it also comes with night light as well. See like something here with a little control, something like a control there. They did say here it comes with a free vapor pad inside, so you check that out. Take it in there. And on the side here, they're showing you some of the other settings and stuff there. Let's see, should we zoom in a bit? Check it out here. Protective steam guard, vapor pod. So right there with the vapor pod going and the night right there. So they're showing you what it is here. The vapor steam here. Steamer. I'm showing you the pods at the side here, so you could use wherever you want. If you like the Vicks smell, especially look like it at the liquid form, to the pod form. Easy to fill, easy to clean. How to shut off on that side again. You're missing out anything. Check out the side here. Choose any humidifier. It have again a cool, so you'll be getting a nice scent there. Filtered and room size, so they're telling you how big your room should be. Let me see, it's a 250 square feet. That look like a small, medium 400, large 600. So it could take up to 600. The large there. Cleanability, warm mist, filter free. I don't know what really going on here, because one side saying filtered, one side saying filtered free. So we can go get into that right now. Tank capacity and runtime. This is important. Let me see if we could see anything here. What actually saying runtime? No, it's still insane runtime. That's right up all going on there, but no actual runtime. And when a company do that, meaning that sometime runtime in full 100, what they say it will be, maintain a relative humidity level from 40 to 60. So it could do that as well. Help it breathe nice and easy. Clear up the throats and stuff. In case you need to get a little clear up from your little cold or maybe a little sign or something acting up, and you want to feel a nice vape straight into your nostrils. You zoom back out a bit. And it's just a giant pod in a box here. So what we seeing, looking pretty plasticky here, like a big giant plastic container. What we have inside the box. Sticker here, just right. Stick that back there. And the manual here showing you how to do everything there. So the tank is recyclable, so you could recycle the tank when it's time. And they're showing you the controls on top. Dual scent pods slot. So it have it on top here. So you can put in dual scents inside here. Then it have the night light, which is this big button right here. Not a button, but a blue light here. What else we have here? Medicine cup. So that right here, you could put it in here. It look like it's not really going into the machine. It look like it just resting on top here. So I don't know exactly how that working. I don't know how that working. Let's see on the box. I'm sure I know how to put in the medicine thing there. Is it? Oh, so look on top here. I'll show you a kind of little cup thing there. I'll show you the throwing it in there. Vicks Pro Steam here. Seems like they're throwing in the liquid or something there. It look like, and the pods. They're showing there. They're throwing in there. So look like you're squeezing it inside a hole, and look like you're pouring it inside this little area here. I thought there was something actually in the machine. They're showing you the boxes with the different pods there. Look like it had different scents and stuff there. So that's how to match up to what you like, or you might just take 3 of the Vicks scents there and see which one you like. And this one is the liquid you're pouring in. So I thought there was something inside the machine. I didn't know you just resting it in here. So if it was to knock or tip over or anything, remember that could spill out. The vapor pods, they would look in there, and they did show you the 2 holes here. The whole thing looked like it could come out, and steam unit plug. This is the plug here. Let me see how long the cord looking like. 4 feet the cord looking like, not that long, so you might need to put this on your nightstand or something not too far from you. And the bowl, what is that? I don't know what I was seeing it here, but that's showing any max level, so I don't know what you're supposed to put inside here itself. Maybe water or something, maybe to make the steam, as it does have a max level there. I never used this before, the first time using it, so can't say for sure. We're going through the whole process here one time, and they're showing you how to lock and unlock it there. It seems to have a lock and unlock somewhere here. I'll look it right here. Can you see it? Bring it down a little bit. Lock and unlock right there. So unlock, and we could get into the bowl. This is it here. Just some grooves right here to fit back in. Go back into the section and then lock it. But as I say, everything just loose. It didn't actually feeling like it locked, as you could see. So you could easily pick it up by mistake and if it turned like that. So make sure and hold it properly. This is a cheap design, as you could see here. This design looks very cheap. So something that, you know, you can't really move about too much. So as you can see there, the max line, looks like you had to put water or something in it to make the steam. And you can't let it go no higher than this level here. So that way that's sink there to help you out. What else? It's in the manual here. See if it bring it down a little bit here. In it. Add 2 medicine cup and add a water or medicine cup there. So it look like showing the water pouring inside. And let's say you could add a medicine cup inside there as well. So maybe you could put some inside and organize it. But from here, when I watch, I seen it. I'm showing this little container there. So it look like you could add to the water, some inside the water as well, maybe to help it, maybe for extra boost. Put it look like the liquid. Maybe other put inside there. And the shade here, how to twist it and make sure everything level. Inside the container, it can't be leaned back or anything like that. No, the whole thing kind of level. Yeah, and you're good to go there. On this plastic, not that bad. It's light enough for you to move about with water when you fill it up. It doesn't feel like it will just burst or crack or anything like that, although it does feel cheap and so cheap. It didn't look like the material will just burst or crack or anything like that, unless it this was something that going in the sun, then it might have deteriorated faster. But this is something inside, so hopefully it hold up good. This part feel a little bit more sturdy in the plastic material. It just is not actually locking properly. It's still kind of flimsy, so it's just a easy on, easy off. Yeah, so that's it for the Vicks Warm Steam Vaporizer. TS4 out.